Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's February 2nd, 2026. India's consulate in San Francisco marked the 77th Republic Day with diaspora leaders, officials, and diplomats. The celebration highlighted India's democratic values and strong people-to-people ties. Cultural stigma continues to be a major barrier preventing South Asian patients from accessing reproductive care, experts say. Specialists are calling for more open conversations and culturally sensitive healthcare outreach. India's Union Budget 2026 is set to double NRI equity investment limits, with FEMA rules under review. The move aims to attract greater overseas Indian participation in domestic markets. India and the European Union have signed what's being called the biggest trade deal in India's history. The agreement is expected to transform trade, investment, and economic cooperation between the two sides. Seattle hosted the Invest India Business Forum to strengthen trade and investment ties. Business leaders explored new opportunities across technology, manufacturing, and innovation sectors. Indian-born US climate scientist Veerabhadran Ramanathan has received the prestigious Crawford Prize. The award honors his pioneering work on climate change and atmospheric science. The United States is pushing for deeper energy trade and technology cooperation with India at India Energy Week. Discussions focused on clean energy, innovation, and long-term sustainability. Meta is facing a US lawsuit over WhatsApp privacy claims, raising concerns about user data protection. The case could have broader implications for tech companies and digital privacy laws. A US State Department report has disclosed gifts given by the Indian government to American officials. The revelations come under standard transparency and ethics reporting requirements. Doctors are warning about a growing fatty liver epidemic among South Asians, linked to diet and lifestyle. Experts say early screening and dietary changes are critical to prevention. In an opinion piece, Anil Swaroop argues that comparisons are often misleading and unproductive. He emphasizes the need for context-driven policy-making over simplistic parallels. A sharp critique has emerged over the inclusion of OBCs in new UGC regulations, calling it a total fraud. Critics argue the move undermines genuine representation in higher education. COHNA has called for a correction over the use of a swastika-related statement in a YE advertisement. The group says inaccurate symbolism risks misrepresenting Hindu beliefs. A new vision for Los Angeles India collaboration highlights a phase of multiplicative growth. Leaders say deeper cooperation could drive innovation, trade, and cultural exchange. The AIA hosted a Grand Republic Day celebration, bringing together elected officials and community members. The event showcased Indian heritage and civic engagement in the US. In sports, Sanju Samson's race against time highlights the intersection of art, pressure, and performance. The story reflects the intense scrutiny faced by modern cricketers. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.